How to get support for an item on ThemeForest. Go to your downloads page and click on the item you purchased. Scroll down and click on comments. Here you can browse through other people's questions or search through the comments to see if the topic has already been discussed. If you couldn't find an answer to your question between the comments, you can post your own comment and wait for the author to answer. Another way to get support for a ThemeForest item is to contact the author directly using the contact form on his profile page. You will get an answer in your email inbox, but you should also check the spams. Some ThemeForest authors provide support through external forums. You will need to provide the purchase code in order to register on this forums.